Under the hammer on the 22nd of June 2022 is a 14,000 square meter industrial property in the highly sought after precinct of Mobeni. The property boasts an impressive GLA of over 14,000 square meters with additional lean-to facilities of roughly 1,200 square meters. 195 Leicester Road offers a rare opportunity to acquire a well-sized warehouse within close proximity to the Port of Durban, arterial routes and major freeways. The subject property presents a manufacturing setup with a sawtooth roof and varying height throughout. The composite facility comprises various sections of warehousing. One such section boasts height of up to 7.5 meters, which is ideal for racking. 195 Leicester Road also boasts a highly sought-after Noxious zoning, which allows a variety of uses normally prohibited in general industrial properties. The high power supply of 2 MVA or 2,800 amps provides an excellent opportunity for manufacturers. The well-sized office component is also reconfigurable to increase the floor area of the warehouse. The property also has mezzanine levels which can be removed to maximize warehouse space. The property is fully sprinklered and boasts a large yard area currently used as parking for 81 cars. We look forward to seeing you at the auction on the 22nd of June 2022 at the Mount Edgecombe Country Club. For more information about this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact Luke on 071 351 8138.